Hi guys, this is Ageza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use this afro twist color too. I'm going to cut it into 3 parts. It's either you cut it into 3 or 4, but mina I did cut it into 3 so that it will be enough for my wig. So yeah guys, today is on the 1st of 2024 January. Happy New Year guys to everyone. Hope you have a blessed and great and fruitful year. So yeah guys, if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope guys you stay. I hope you enjoyed my video. For all those who are returning subscribers, my day one guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I'm so grateful guys. So yeah, as you can see here, I'm starting to do my afro twist wig. So you insert your crochet and then you pull your hairpiece. As I'm doing here guys, I don't want to talk too much so that you watch and see what I'm doing on this video, so that you understand what your girl is trying to do here. So I'm doing this a trending TikTok afro short wig. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I hope you enjoy and love this video.